exceptions in previous lesson. Early dos pen with friend. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we can take a look for the exception about I talked in previous lesson, and let's go. Саламатсыздар ма? Келгендеріңізге қуаныштымын. Осы сабақты сізге ұнайды деп ойлаймын. Жарайды, алып кеттік. So we have exceptions like words that entered the Kazakh language in the early Middle Ages from Arabic and Persian languages and are currently perceived as original Kazakh. It's like Rahmet, thank you, Kitab, book, Muallim, teacher, Tarikh, history, Imtihan, exam. Next, words included in the Kazakh language from European languages, like a volleyball, computer, scanner, etc. Words formed by merging two independent words, Ömer and Bayan. Ömer, live, Bayan, presentation, and we combine together it. We have a Ömer Bayan biography. Dare, medicine, Hana, institution, and we can get Darehana, pharmacy. Words that answer questions come with whom, nemen, with what, halay, how, having endings men, ben, pen. Ata, men, with grandfather, ata men, yeah, ata men. Bor men, with child, bor, child, men. Dos pen, pen with friend, dos pen. Next, words answering the questions kimdiki, whose, have suffixes niki, diki, diki. Ataniki, grandfathers, qizdiki, girls. We added endings like niki and diki. Next, words formed by adding suffixes to the original word. Zan, law, and we added suffix like ger, and we get lawyer, zanger. Mura, ger, mura, heritage, murager, hair. If a word ends in an X letter, then only hard endings are added to it. Tsehta, in the workshop. Tarikhta, in history. You see, we added endings like ta. It's like a hard ending. Ta. And finally, last type of exceptions, words endings in letter endings o, ug, rg, rk, ng, nk, qs, sk, lk, rn, nxt, ql, ft, bl, ek, mq, ns, okt, q, k. Only soft endings are added to them, even if the last syllable has a hard vowel. These are winterized words. So guys, thank you for attention. This lesson was like this. Барлықтарына рахмет, келіп менің сабағымды қарағандарыңызға. Сау саламатта болып тұрыңыздар. Жақсы сау болыңыздар. Бай-бай.